You have the Amazfit BIP 3 Pro and you have the issue where you have a black screen. Even though you have a black screen, you know the watch is on. Maybe you can hear notification or feel it vibrating, notifications coming in, so on. The only thing is the watch is on, it's just that you have a black screen. I have 5 options to get you guys up and running right now. First thing to note is this one is actually fixed, but we're going to pretend that this one has a black screen here. Okay, so pretend it's a black screen here. First thing we want to do is just go ahead and force it to restart. Simply the dial button here, we just want to press and hold it, okay? You want to press and hold and keep on holding until you see the Amazfit logo appear, then let go. So we'll do it together, okay? So pretend my screen here is black. Here's the dial button here. Ready, set, go. Ooh, ready, set, go. Press and hold, do not let go. Pretend my screen here is black. I have no idea what's going on. I'm just holding onto that button, waiting for the Amazfit logo to appear. Still holding, still holding. Amazfit logo, go ahead and let go, and hopefully you're back up and running. If not, if you still have a black screen, then we're going to go to option number 2. Option number 2 is this. Go ahead and grab your charger, and we're going to go ahead and connect that. Oh, let me do it again. So when you connect it, we should get a charge. Oh, I didn't have it plugged into the wall. Okay, so we see it charging. Okay, so let's just pretend that my screen is still black here. Now it's on the charger. And the same thing from here, we want to restart it using the dial button here. Okay, so while it's charging, we're going to press and hold that dial button until we see the Amazfit logo appear. So we'll do it together. Okay, pretend my screen is black here. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. Keep on holding while it's charging. Do not let go until we see the Amazfit logo. Still holding here. Still holding. Still holding. Amazfit logo, and then let go. And hopefully you guys are up and running. If not, then we're going to go to the next possible fix. Okay, so next possible fix, what we're going to do is this. You're going to go ahead and hold your watch up like this, and you're going to grab one finger, and you're going to tap it kind of hard all over on the screen, all over in the back, okay? So pretend my screen is black here, and you're kind of going to tap kind of hard all over, okay? And even though your screen is black here, sometimes it'll automatically pop on, or it might show like half a screen or whatnot. Just keep tapping. If it's all black, no problem. Then turn it over and do the same thing back here. You want to tap everywhere. Tap all over, kind of hard. Then turn the back to the screen face here and tap on the dial button to see if it's on. If it's still a black screen from here, no problem. From here, if you still have a black screen, press and hold this dial button and do not let go until you see the Amazfit logo appear. Once the logo appears, then let go. Okay, and hopefully you are up and running now. If not, then we're going to go to the next possible step here. So the next possible step here is what we're going to do is we're going to press in all over on the screen and all over in the back. It's the same premises like tapping. You may have something slightly dislodged and a little, even a tap can pop into place, or even a little press. Okay, so just grab your watch like this, pretend I have a black screen here. What I'm going to do is hold the other side like this, and I'm just going to press, press, press. And sometimes as you're doing this, the screen might pop on. You might get half a screen. Just press. And also like on the back here, just press all over on here. Press, press, press. Turn to the screen side, tap on that dial button and see if your watch is on. If it's still off, no problem. With the black screen, remember, press and hold that dial button. Do not let go until you see the Amazfit logo. Once the logo appears, then let go. Now, if you still have a black screen, the next thing I have for you is what I call the freezer method. What I want you to do is grab the watch just like this, put it into your freezer and leave it there for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, grab your nice cold watch out of the freezer and just tap the dial button and see if it's on. If the screen's still not on, it's still black, then from here, while the watch is nice and cold, again, press and hold that dial button. Do not let go until you see the Amazfit logo appear, then let go. Now, the thing is, if you guys tried all of these methods and you're still down, then what I would suggest is start from number 1 again. Try number 1, number 2, 3, all the way to the last step, the freezer method, the 5th step. Doesn't work 2 times, try it 3 times, 4 times, try it up to 7 times, okay? If you guys try it at least 7 times, I'm going to say at least 80, maybe 85% of you guys should be up and running with a screen that's working now, okay? Good luck, guys.